As you can see, we've got the spacers installed. There's a gap, $2 nuts and bolts from Bunnings, done by my good friend James. It was best to use a drill.
Great, fire out.
How long did it take?
Oh, it was pain, it was a pain, tell you that.
It's finally done now. I want to test it out.
Test it out.
This is just the standard 2.5 Impreza.
I only spent $2.
$2, mate. $2. I didn't need to spend $3 grand. Watch this. How good is that?
Everything's stock. What a machine.
All done. And that's how it's done. Subscribe. More mods to come. See ya.